to this particular section, and I'll be taking the topic on creating of users in the kalilinux server. If you're a system administrator or you work with kalilinux professionally, you would want to create a new user, maybe in order to install a software or for some other technical services. So you want to create a new user, and you would also want to create a new group in order to manage your file permissions and privileges. So if you actually don't know how to do this, you would be quite limited in crucial ways. So first of all, let's create a new user. Let's see. Sarah Smith. Okay, go ahead and list this. Okay, sorry. I would like to show you the folder of the user that we just created. As you can see, Sarah Smith, and these are other users that are actually on my kalilinux server. Also, there's another command I would like you all to know about. Is the cat etc/password. This particular command, this particular folder actually houses all the user accounts on this particular kalilinux server. This is their default location. So I'm actually outputting it to the screen. As you can see, our Sarah Smith. So we haven't actually given it a password, but this X here means a password is being encrypted here, and these are the IDs. So let's go ahead to actually assign a password to our Sarah Smith. So the password has been successfully updated. So we'll try to switch user. I can go ahead to ID. You can see we have actually logged in as Sarah Smith. We can actually log out of our kalilinux. I can decide to log in as Sarah Smith. As you can see, we are logged in as Sarah Smith, and we are at our own home page, our home directory. So let's quickly go back to our Kali. Okay, so that's it for creating of group, creating of users. So let's go ahead to create groups. So let's add a group called Hausa. So I want to introduce you to this command. It's actually a command for you to view all groups that has been created on this particular server. Etc/group. As you can see, the group that we just created, and you can see the group ID, and that's it. So we'll be actually adding the user that we created, Sarah Smith, to this particular group, Hausa group. So sudo so let's actually view the etc/group. As you can see, Sarah Smith has been added to this particular group called Hausa, and you can actually use the grep command to look for a particular group in which a particular user has been assigned to. So we're gonna be grepping as you can see. So that's it for this particular section for creating of users and creating of groups and actually adding a user to a particular group. So I will see you in my next section, so stay tuned.